Let's get prepositioned. Mastering prepositions of place in English. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive deep into a vital aspect of conversational English. We'll be learning about prepositions of place. These simple words like in, on, at, next to, near, between, across from, behind, and in front of can transform the clarity of your English conversations, especially when you are giving or receiving directions. So, let's get started. Prepositions of place are words that indicate the location or position of something in relation to something else. They can refer to things in a physical space or abstract ideas. For instance, the book is on the table, or he lives at number 10. We're going to dissect some of the most common prepositions of place to make your English communication even smoother. In. The preposition in is used when something is contained within boundaries. For instance, the keys are in the drawer. On. We use on to refer to a surface, or when something is above something else, and there is contact. For instance, the book is on the table. At refers to an exact point or location. For instance, she is waiting at the bus stop. Next to implies being adjacent or beside something. For instance, the pharmacy is next to the supermarket. Near. We use near to denote proximity but not necessarily immediately adjacent. For instance, the park is near my house. Between is used when something is in the middle of two other things. For instance, the library is between the bakery and the school. Across from indicates that something is directly opposite something else. For instance, the cafe is across from the theater. Behind. The preposition behind suggests that something is at the back of something else. For instance, the garden is behind the house. In front of. Lastly, in front of means something is before or ahead of something else. For instance, the car is parked in front of the building. Understanding these prepositions is important, but practicing them in sentences and everyday language is the key to mastering them. Try to incorporate them into your daily conversations, write practice sentences, or even create a physical map and use these prepositions to describe locations. And that's a wrap on our journey through English prepositions of place. Remember, these prepositions are more than just small words. They are vital tools to convey clear and accurate information, particularly in directions. So, practice using them and soon you'll find them popping up naturally in your conversations. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in our next lesson. Happy learning!